Sharks are truly ancient ocean dwellers. They are found in every one of our seas. For millions of years they have roamed here. People often see them in different ways. Some people fear these creatures greatly. They think of them as dangerous predators, but other people admire them very deeply. They respect their power and their wild beauty. The image of fear is strong for many. Exciting films often show sharks as monsters. This makes many people feel quite scared. It is true that they are powerful animals. They possess rows of very sharp teeth. Some species of shark grow to be very large. This frightening image is very well known. But it is not the complete story of sharks. The image of respect is also very old. Ancient cultures often held sharks in high regard. They were sometimes seen as powerful spirits of the sea. Divers today can feel a great sense of awe. Seeing a shark in its natural ocean home is special. Their effortless grace through the water is quite amazing. Their immense power is clear for all to see. They fit their underwater world so perfectly. So, we must seek a true understanding of sharks. It is important to look beyond these simple views. Sharks are not just frightening sea monsters. They are not just ancient symbols of power. They are absolutely key to the life in our oceans. Learning about them helps us see their real role. They are complex animals with a long, rich history. Let us discover more about their true story now. Sharks have bodies that are almost perfect. These bodies are expertly made for hunting their prey. Their overall shape is wonderfully sleek and streamlined. This special shape helps them to swim so very fast. They appear to glide effortlessly through the water. They move with very little effort indeed. This incredible design is millions of years old. It truly makes them magnificent and efficient swimmers. Their skin is quite unique among ocean creatures. It is not smooth at all like many other fish. Instead, it is covered in tiny, hard, tooth-like scales. These special scales all point towards the back. This clever feature helps them to swim much faster. It also makes their skin remarkably tough. It is like wearing a natural coat of strong armor. This skin gives them very good protection. Sharks have many rows of formidable teeth. These rows ensure their teeth are always sharp. If one single tooth is lost or broken off, another tooth simply moves forward to replace it, so their sharp teeth are always ready for use. Different types of sharks have different types of teeth. Some are for catching slippery, fast-moving fish. Others are designed for crushing hard shells. Their senses are so wonderfully keen and sharp. They can smell tiny drops of blood from far away. Their eyesight is also surprisingly good. It is especially effective in dark or deep water. They can also sense tiny electric signals too. All living things in the sea make these signals. This helps them to find prey that is hidden. These are truly amazing and well-honed senses. Sharks have a very big job in the ocean. They are often at the top of the food chain. This means they are what we call apex predators. They help to keep all our oceans very healthy. Without sharks, the seas would greatly change. Their important role is so absolutely crucial. We must understand this role very well indeed. It helps all the other creatures in the sea. They often hunt fish that are ill or weak. This helps to keep the fish populations strong. It also stops sickness from spreading too widely. By taking out the unwell or slower individuals, they help to ensure the healthy ones survive. This is one of nature's own clever ways. It ensures that the strong will pass on their traits. The entire ocean system benefits from this. Sharks also control the numbers of other animals. If there were no sharks present to hunt them, some types of fish might grow too numerous. These fish could then eat far too much food. They might consume too many precious plants or small life. This would quickly spoil the delicate ocean balance. Sharks effectively stop this from ever happening. They are like the careful guardians of the ocean. Their mere presence can change things significantly. Smaller fish will often avoid the spots where sharks hunt. This behavior can protect some sensitive sea areas like important seagrass beds, for example. Many young sea creatures like to hide in these beds. So in this way, sharks help these nurseries thrive. Their positive impact is very wide and far-reaching. The vast seas truly need their ancient keepers. Many people often misunderstand these great creatures. We sometimes think that they only want to eat. This common idea is not true at all. Most types of sharks are not a danger to us. Over 500 different kinds of shark exist. Only a very few have ever bothered people. Most sharks are actually quite shy animals. We really need to learn the true facts about them. Another wrong idea is that sharks are always hunting. Sharks do not spend all of their day hunting. They often spend time resting quietly on the seabed, or sometimes they travel for very long distances. They are surprisingly smart and intelligent animals. They have many complex and interesting behaviors. They are not just simple killing machines at all. Understanding them properly is the very first step. Sadly, today many sharks are in grave danger. Human beings are now their biggest single threat. Too much fishing activity greatly hurts them. They often get caught by accident in big fishing nets. Sometimes they are hunted for their valuable fins. Their precious ocean homes are also being harmed. Pollution of our seas is a very big problem. Their long-term future is certainly not safe. Therefore, we must all act now to save them. These truly ancient ones desperately need our help. They have lived on this planet for so many ages. Now it is our turn to protect them properly. We can support good and sustainable fishing ways. We can all use less plastic that pollutes the seas. We can learn more and then tell others too. If we respect sharks, we help save our oceans.